Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sherelle, and in this video we will be exploring a new hotel review, the Hyatt House Tokyo Shibuya.
That's why Chatty Patty does it. Yeah, Rocco does it too. Stay on the other side.
Now, we did take the train from the Haneda airport to the hotel, which was absolutely fine. It did start to rain once we got there, but luckily we were able to get there in time. And the Hyatt House Tokyo Shibuya is a new hotel for us. We actually had a really hard time booking here because this hotel is new to the collection, but it does fill up fast, and I can see why, and I will show you all the amenities at this hotel. When we arrived, there was no line here at check-in, so we were able to walk right in and check in, and we did get here early and our room was ready, so that was a great feature for us because we were able to go upstairs and check in and get settled in. It did start to rain, so a lot of the outdoor area was closed for this day, so we were unable to show that, but that gives us an excuse to go back again to stay here again. If you're not World of Hyatt members, I would definitely recommend signing up, as you do get bonuses, free upgrades, and different things like that. But we are staying in room 1308, which I will probably stay again as it was nice and cozy for two. Along with the amazing location in the Shibuya area, minutes away from Shibuya Crossing, you get a full-on kitchen area where you can cook your own items and buy stuff for your room, as well as a washer dryer combo, and we also had a seating area. So this hotel is an amazing hotel and great for families or parties. It was perfect for me or my sister. This is a smaller room, so I would definitely recommend upgrading if you have larger suitcases like us. We did find a way to open both suitcases, so we did end up not having too much of an issue, but this is an amazing hotel and I cannot wait to stay here again.
I hope your chips are wet.
The hotel also gives you all the things you will need to cook in your room. So I will say this, I cannot wait to stay here again. I could actually stay a few weeks here because of the great location, central to Shibuya area, as well as all the train locations that you will need. I would say that the washer dryer combo made a huge difference to us as we were traveling from Seoul over to Tokyo, so we were able to wash our clothes when we got here.
Clean our stuff right now.
This hotel is great for long-term stays, about a week or two, because of the kitchen area. They have plenty of cabinet space for you to unpack and really immerse yourself in the Shibuya area. And I will say, I cannot wait to spend another time here. I do plan on spending a longer stay here during my next visit. Now the fitness area is on the smaller side, but they do have all the equipment you will need to have a great workout. There are weights as well as mats and a beautiful view of the Shibuya area. It was not crowded during the time I was here, but I can see how this area would be crowded, so I would recommend going for your morning workouts early. Right outside the hotel is this beautiful sculpture called the Shibuya Sakura stage. It's meant to represent cherry blossom flowers, and it is an amazing experience to walk through. We actually took a lot of pictures here, so do check them out on my social. And you will have to wait for them to open it up because we did get here early. But once it's open, it's a great place to take pictures in, and I really enjoyed walking around this area. One of my favorite places to go to here in Tokyo is the Excella Cafe. Locations, which there are many throughout the Tokyo area, but there are some close to the hotel, so we did go here for some breakfast items-ish. I end up getting ice cream because I love the crema here, so I did get a milk tea. My sister got a latte and that granola parfait thing. It was actually really good because I said that the entire time we were here it did rain our first few days, so we were doing activities that kept us inside as well as did get us out and around the area. Now, the big question is, would I stay here again? Absolutely. I will say that I'm already looking for dates to plan my next trip. This is an extremely hard hotel to get because it does fill up fast. So I would definitely recommend looking out a year in advance to just get that reservation, as this hotel is worth it. If you enjoy travel content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. It helps us grow here on YouTube. Like and share this video with a friend who's traveling to Japan, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.